Are love problems weighing you down? Whether it's constant disagreements, emotional distance, or trust issues, relationship struggles can be overwhelming. But don't worry, today we're tackling 17 of the most common love problems, with expert-backed solutions that can help you get your relationship back on track. Ready to transform your love life? Let's dive in. Welcome to Zeal Insights. In this episode, we're diving deep into the 17 most frequently asked relationship questions and providing expert answers to solve your love problems. From communication breakdowns to rebuilding trust, this video will guide you through practical steps to fix your relationship and reignite the spark. Stay tuned for the insights that can make a real difference in your love life. 1. How do you handle disappointment in our relationship? When I feel disappointed, I try to express my feelings calmly and constructively. I believe in addressing concerns directly, so we can learn from them and avoid repeating the same mistakes. 2. What's your favorite way to spend alone time? Spending alone time allows me to recharge. I enjoy reading, reflecting, or indulging in hobbies that bring me peace and joy, which helps me show up better in our relationship. 3. What are your thoughts on relocating for a job or other life changes? Relocating for a job or life changes requires careful consideration. If it benefits our growth and future, I would be open to discussing it. We need to ensure that the move aligns with both our individual and shared goals. 4. How do you feel about discussing sensitive topics like finances or politics? It's important to discuss sensitive topics openly and respectfully. These conversations can strengthen our understanding of each other's values and beliefs, leading to greater alignment in our relationship. 5. What role does humor play in our relationship? Humor is vital. It lightens the mood, helps us navigate tough times, and brings joy to our daily interactions. Laughing together strengthens our bond. 6. How can we better support each other's emotional well-being? We can support each other emotionally by being attentive listeners, offering encouragement, and providing a safe space where we can express our feelings without fear of judgment. 7. What is your idea of a balanced relationship? A balanced relationship allows both partners to grow individually while staying connected. It includes healthy communication, respect for boundaries, shared responsibilities, and time for both intimacy and independence. 8. How do you feel about maintaining individual friendships outside of our relationship? Maintaining individual friendships is healthy and important. It allows us to nurture our own identities while keeping a well-rounded support system. Trust and communication ensure these friendships don't negatively impact our relationship. 9. How do you prefer to be comforted when you're feeling down? When I'm feeling down, I prefer gentle reassurance, physical affection, and knowing that you're there to listen without judgment. Sometimes, just being present is all the comfort I need. 10. What's something I do that always makes you smile? The way you show thoughtfulness in the little things, whether it's sending a sweet message, making me laugh, or simply holding my hand, always brings a smile to my face. 11. What are your thoughts on couples activities, like cooking or exercising together? I love the idea of couples activities. Cooking, exercising, or learning something new together not only strengthens our bond but also helps us create shared experiences and memories. 12. What are some habits we can develop to improve our relationship? Developing habits like regular date nights, open communication, and practicing gratitude can significantly improve our relationship. These small, consistent efforts help keep our connection strong. 13. How do you feel about discussing uncomfortable truths with each other? Discussing uncomfortable truths can be tough, but it's necessary for growth. I value honesty and believe that difficult conversations, handled with care, can lead to greater understanding and a healthier relationship. 14. What are your thoughts on planning for the future together? Planning for the future is exciting and important. It helps us align our goals and build a shared vision for our life together, ensuring that we're on the same page about what we want to achieve. 15. How do you express frustration in our relationship? I try to express frustration calmly and constructively. Instead of bottling up feelings, I believe in communicating them openly. By addressing frustrations early, we can prevent them from escalating into bigger issues, ensuring that we both feel heard and respected. 16. How do we support each other's growth and self-improvement? We can support each other by being each other's cheerleaders, providing encouragement, and celebrating personal achievements. A relationship thrives when both partners feel free to grow and evolve, so it's important to discuss our goals and ways we can help each other reach them. 17. How do you feel about learning new things together, like taking classes or hobbies? I love the idea. Learning together fosters deeper connection and creates shared experiences. Whether it's a cooking class, a new hobby, or even a fitness challenge, these activities enrich our relationship and keep it exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these expert insights helpful for navigating your relationships. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Flash Relationships for more tips and advice on love and personal growth. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or need advice, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building strong and healthy relationships.